In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel a SoFi transfer. Whether you're managing your finances on the go or from the comfort of your home, knowing how to cancel a transfer can save you from unwanted transactions and potential fees. So let's get started with the process. First things first, you'll need to open the SoFi app on your mobile device or navigate to the SoFi website on your computer. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. It's important to ensure you're logged into the correct account to access the right information and transactions. After successfully logging in, head over to the banking or transfer section. This is where you'll find all your recent transactions and transfers. Take a moment to scroll through your recent activities until you locate the transfer you wish to cancel. It's crucial to double-check that you've selected the correct transaction to avoid any mishaps. Once you've identified the transfer, the next step is to check its status. You're looking for transfers that are still marked as pending. If you see that the transfer is pending, you're in luck. Select the transfers and look for the option to cancel it. It's usually a straightforward process, just a tap or a click away. This option is designed to give you peace of mind, knowing you can halt a transaction before it's finalized. However, if you find that the transfer has already been completed, it typically means the transaction cannot be reversed through the app or website. In such cases, your best course of action is to reach out to SoFi customer support. They're equipped to handle such issues and can provide guidance on what steps to take next. While they might not guarantee a reversal, they can offer advice or help mitigate any potential impact. And that's it. That's how to cancel a SoFi transfer. Remember, acting quickly is key, especially if you notice an error or change your mind after initiating a transfer. Keeping an eye on your transactions regularly can help you spot any issues early on, allowing you to address them promptly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to SoFi's customer service for more personalized support.